Biscuit. I don't today I'm going to tell about biscuit manufacturing process. Recently I went to a field trip. Almond food products. It's a biscuit factory, and I wrote a reflection about it, and now I did a PP. My dad helped me make a PPT about it, so now I'm going to tell about it. Glucose biscuits, Mary biscuits, cookies, crackers, and cream biscuits. Nice. The examples of biscuits: Nice Time, Good Day, Time Pass, and Bourbon and Treat biscuits. Ingredients: wheat flour, water, sugar, fat and oils, salt, emulsifier, milk and milk products, leavening agent, and color, flavor. Biscuits manufacturing: material receiving, pre-mixing, creaming, mixing, molding, baking, cooling, staking, and packing. Pre-mixing: this is a type of pre-mixing machine. This is biscuit grinding machine, auto feeder, biscuit grinder, and sifter. Cashew shortening room. Invert soup preparation.
What soup? Syrup.
Syrup. Mixing. Then it is mixed with other ingredients for further 2 minutes. Continuous mixer. Premix. Dough is prepared. Molding. Sheeting. This is molding. This is a type of machine. Baking. This is also a type of machine that you can see in factories. People make biscuits from that. What they make that comes from there. Stacking. Packing. This is how they pack. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please hit like. Bye.